Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching an elevated command prompt so Windows can access hardware details. Open Start, type CMD, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Once done, close resource-heavy apps and save documents. This reduces noise in the battery data. You want accurate measurements, which is why verifying your Windows version helps. Some older builds change report fields. Make sure the account has admin rights, otherwise the export will fail. Now you're ready to generate the report in the next step. Now create the report. Type powercog/battery report/output %user profile %bec/battery report. HTML and press enter. This command queries the battery model, cycle counts, recent usage, and full charge capacity, then writes an HTML file to your user folder. Once the shell prints the file path, note it and close the prompt. If you prefer PowerShell, the command is identical, just remain in administrator mode. Make sure the output path is writable, otherwise pick a folder like desktop, and then open the saved HTML in your browser to review. Open the generated battery report. HTML in your web browser to read design capacity, full charge capacity, and recent usage graphs. These show how battery health has changed over time and indicate if replacement is needed. If you don't see a file, rerun the command as administrator. Also check antivirus or group policy that may block file creation. For odd values, compare design versus full charge capacity to estimate wear. If cycles are high and capacity is low, consider professional battery service or calibrated full discharge cycles as a diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.